Hey guys, Gavin here from GFP Machines. We're the leaders in Africa for quality woodworking machinery. It's another week. We've got another 5 questions. Let's go. Let's get them answered. Do you offer spare parts? Well, we refurbish the machines. We take it very, very seriously. We go all the way. And when you get a machine from us, I like to say it's kind of like a new machine, which is fantastic for you. But we take it seriously. We source the right parts. We have to sometimes fly parts in from Europe and from America and from all over the world. But we do this because we want to offer you a fantastic machine. Unfortunately, we only work on GFP machines. So if you've bought your machine from us, we will help you maintain it and look after it and keep it to the same specification. But unfortunately, if you haven't bought the machine from us, because we take it so seriously, we don't want to just put spare parts into machines that have other faults in it, and then we look like we're not doing a good job. So we take it seriously. We want to see your machines doing good. Question number 2, do you install and offer training? Yep, we do this. We train, we install, we help you with transporting machines. We give you a 3-month guarantee on the machine. And best of all, if the machine gets delivered to your premises and you don't like the machine or doesn't fulfill your expectations, you have 7 days to send it back to us. We'll give you your money back, no questions asked. We stand behind our machines, and that's why we want to guide you to the right machine in the first place. Okay, so number 3, how do I know it's not a scam? Well, this is a fair question, and we know a lot of customers buy machines from us from all over Africa, from Tanzania, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Congo. And we always say the best is want to make sure that you're happy. So either come and visit us, we're happy to collect you from the airport and show you a machine that you're buying, or send someone that you know in South Africa to come validate that the machine is ready here. We can test the machine while your friend is here and show them the machine works, and he can send you a video, or we could do a live video of us standing next to the machine, switching the machine on, doing demonstrations of the machine, showing you that the machine is top quality. We are more than happy to do this and do it on a regular basis. Okay, so question number 4. What if I'm not sure it's the right machine for me? Well, that's why we're here. We want to make sure that we supply you the correct machine at all times. And we've got a wide range of machines, as you've seen behind us, many machines. And we want to spec the right machine for you. So call us, consult with us, let's help you. Number 5, can I see it working? Of course you can. It's in our showroom. We are more than happy to switch it on, to test it, to do a live video for you or an in-person demonstration for you. Give us a call, set up a time. We are more than happy to assist you to make sure that you are happy.
Nice.
Okay, that's it guys. 5 questions for the week, done and dusted. Hope you have a great weekend. If you have any questions, please send them through to us. We will be happy to answer them. But we want to make sure our machines come to your factory in a great condition. And we look forward to hearing from you very, very soon.